how to add reviews to this slider here. You can see the dots down below tell you how many are in there. There's 5. I'm in the visual builder, so that's what you've got to do first, is make sure you're in the visual builder. I think you know how to do that. And so if I hover over this, I'm going to go to the gray box, to the gear icon, and there you'll see all 5 of the reviews that you have in there right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy one so it picks up all of the formatting from it. So I'll copy the last one. It's this double little square thing here, and that makes a new slide. Now, since it's a copy, it's going to have the same text in it. Click the gear and you find the text here. And so what I want to do is replace this text. So I have created a just a simple text document. And with that, when you have a simple text document, you want to make sure that you have no formatting on it, so it doesn't pick up any strange code that has to do with the formatting. So I'm just going to copy it here, come back to the website, and replace this text. Command V, make sure you don't get a double quote in there. And so now that's in there. I'm going to replace this text now with a new author name, which this is a different format, so you don't want to paste the whole thing all at once because that's a different format. So I'm going to copy the author name and then come back and paste it in here, and there you go. Actually, that didn't pick up. You see it's bold and italic, so you just want to make sure that it is bold and italic, and I believe that's the only difference in that one. So now we have a new review here, and if I click the green check box, that saves that review in there, and now click the green check box again and it saves the page. And then one last thing you have to do is click this purple circle down below and hit the green save button, which saves the whole page. If you don't do that, it'll give you a prompt saying, are you sure you want to leave? You have unsaved work, but you've got to save the work, otherwise it will disappear, and that might be what's going on. And then if you exit the visual builder here, you'll find as you go down here again that that new review is in fact in there, and I'm just going to click on the last dot so you can see that there. All right, I won't leave it here, I'll delete it, but now you know how that works.